Noel Holmes Hospital is a Type C hospital located on Fort Charlotte Drive in the capital town of Lucy, Hanover. The parish of Hanover was founded in November 1723, with the then agricultural town of Lucy declared the capital. The British, who fully captured Jamaica from the Spaniards in 1655, began development plans for the town of Lucy. New residential buildings, a fort, a hospital, and other amenities began popping up in and around Lucy. The hospital was first called Hospital Lucy, as seen in early writings, but later called Lucy Hospital. It operated under this name through generations until 1968, when the name was changed to Noel Holmes Hospital. So why was the Lucy Hospital changed to Noel Holmes Hospital? The name of the hospital was changed to honor the memory of a hard-working and well-loved doctor called Noel Holmes. Noel Norman Holmes was born on June 16, 1904 in Falmouth, Trelawney. He did his medical studies overseas. On his return to Jamaica, he joined the government medical services in 1938 and worked as a medical doctor in the parish of his birth, Trelawney, until 1947, when he was transferred to Lucy. For 17 years and some months, Dr. Noel Holmes worked at the Lucy Hospital, starting out as a medical officer and later promoted to senior medical officer. During those years, he was well known and loved by people in and around Lucy. A justice of the peace since 1945, he was a friendly man to turn to for recommendations and the signing of documents. Dr. Noel Holmes retired from the Lucy Hospital in 1965. He died from colon cancer on Sunday, November 12, 1967, in the town of Reading, St. James. His funeral was held on Thursday, November 16, 1967, at the Hanover Parish Church in Lucy, where he was buried. Within months after his death, petitions were made by some people of Hanover to the Minister of Health, Dr. Herbert Eldemeyer, and the board of the Lucy Hospital to have the hospital renamed in commemoration of the well-beloved doctor. So, the hospital was officially renamed Noel Holmes Hospital. In 1970, a bust made of bronze was erected at the hospital in the late doctor's memory. The bust was made by Mr. Alvin Marriott at a cost of some $1,400. The Noel Holmes Hospital is the only hospital in Hanover. Through the many years of its existence, the hospital experienced challenges such as lack of equipment and shortage of beds, but managed to keep up. In 2017, the hospital received, among other things, a new maternity ward, a new general ward, new offices, and a refurbished sewage treatment plant.